materials?
I'm gonna share now.
Okay, cool.
I have like this this tea cloth.
Ooh, yeah.
That's like all like squares.
Yeah, I think I know the type. I think I have one the same.
Yeah.
So it's
Um.
really textured then, that one, isn't it?
Yeah. It's really textured. It's textured.
Yeah. Ooh,
Textured.
nice.
Yeah. And also I have an inspiration
Hmm.
from this clock here.
Ooh, okay. I like that.
Yeah, I like the green vibrant squares.
Yeah, it kind of looks like your headphones as well, Theo.
Oh yeah, it does.
Yeah. I can tell you like that. Cool. Yeah, I really love the
I really like
neon
it on the
green black.
I really like it on the black because it makes the green stand out.
It
So I was
does.
thinking for my trousers
Yeah.
to have like locks like sheets of
Ooh.
fabric on it and then like numbers on it.
Okay,
Like
cool.
like random numbers.
Yeah, I like that a lot. And so in terms of material, so far
Um
you've got the
the flannel.
yeah.
And also I have this
Oh,
which is like a
cool.
bed sheet, I think.
Oh, perfect.
Um and and the